was unexpected. I've had a couple of gins so far, I'm not going to lie. Okay. Ready for Ivor's first boat party.
That's my boy. Straight on him. Good lad.
Dahil birthday ng kapitan namin ngayon, meron kaming free-ride speedboat po. Mamaya, may free-ride speedboat tayo mamaya. Okay po? Dahil birthday ng kapitan namin. Happy birthday!
Not a bad life, lads. Not a bad life. Kick back and sip my gin. That fella do all the work, I think. Bella, left. Don't go right, no, stop. Use a paddle. Right, it's all yours. Absolutely smashing it. Not a bad life, eh? Should we have a look at what's under the ocean? Boy, he wants us to come back, but we'll go back when we're good and ready. Paid good money for this man. Yippee! Well, that was fun. We had the glass kayak. I couldn't see out through the kayak, mind you, but I used a GoPro. Hopefully we saw some fish. We'll find out later. But I think it's about time for the Mikey backflip.
Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Right there. I'll hold the GoPro this time. Mikey backflip. Let's get to where we need to be. Ready for a dive? Dive! Hey! Okay, you've seen the backflip, you've seen the first person backflip. Let's do a dive. The top deck, 1 foot here, 1 foot there. Nearly lost my shorts then. Right work. You should see me in Turkey, mate. True story. That was fun. Love it. Love it. 3, 2, go! Me and Bella don't mess about. trip. 3,200 pesos for me, the missus, my daughter, my son, and my missus' mum. Yeah, man. It's been nice, been nice. Although I was tricked into thinking I was on a different boat, but yeah, it's still been fun regardless. I'll dance to anything. That's my boy. I didn't realise when I said a boat trip I was expecting this boat. This boat tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, let me find out. So this boat, I want to come on this boat tomorrow. Because this boat looks mint. 2 p.m. Okay. Loud music. Laser lights, smoke machines, skanking one. But I found out how to get on this boat. Look at it, it's got slides, it's got music. The music is banging. I'm a family man, travelling with a 1-year-old to a 70-year-old. Need something to suits everyone. There is a top deck where you can actually chill out and relax and get away from the strobe lights. So, you know, Grandma Lola can actually, she can chill on the top deck, or if I was getting it, feeling it a bit too much, she can go and sleep on the top deck. But he's like me, and he's going to be dancing, skanking. We haven't got time tomorrow, because we're scuba diving at 1, and this leaves at 2. Tuesday, we'll do the jet skis and maybe come on the boat afterwards. Stay tuned. Where do I go tomorrow morning?
In front of Astoria Boracay.
This is station 1. Very, very beautiful. Very, very popular. Fine, beautiful sand and clearest waters you've ever seen in your life. It's bloody raining, bloody soaked, look at them. Like it's cold. This is actually quite refreshing, I'm not gonna lie, it's refreshing. It's not cold, you can literally, when it rains in the Philippines, people shower. Absolutely pissing it down in Boracay. The hell is this? Jesus Christ. Well, that was unexpected. Absolutely soaked, look. We've got some shower, Joe. Shower now, ready for later. Panic over. The rain has stopped. Back to lovely warm weather again. I'll dry out in about, I don't know, 3 minutes. Back to 30 odd degrees. So rather than go home, the family is all, we're all rested. Well, that was yesterday. We were tired. So, you know, we're just gonna get straight out there. I'll tell you what you can do, you can lift the front of that pram, please. Ah, my guy. They're so friendly here. They're so friendly. I appreciate it. We've already eaten though, but thank you. Salamat. The red coconut. Ooh.
Light and heat.
What's going on here?
The blaze that ignites that vital.
What is this?
Fire is the energy.
We'll have dinner here, because you know,
Yeah.
if we don't have dinner.
Okay, yeah, we'll have dinner. You find the table, babe. Better video that. I'll get some t-shirt. I'll get a t-shirt on. Go up. Get some good video, yeah. I hope you can support me because I want to do this. I want to do this every month. Subscribe because I'm just starting out here. You can just help me grow my channel. I'll post content all the time. Help me out. I promise to make you laugh, give you some information, and show you some of the finest places in the world. Come on. Oh, is this not beautiful? Let's get a view of the... What a perfect tune for the end of the evening.